Hey everybody, I'm Joey, and today we're cooking 3 different types of burgers. Real, Beyond Burgers, and Impossible Burgers. So follow me and let's turn up the fakie. So today on this channel, we're featuring something I never thought would make its appearance on this channel. Fake meat. Beyond Meat and the Impossible Burger. Right over here, we have the real deal, 80/20 ground chuck. You know, a lot of people have asked me, Joey, what do you think about those Impossible Burgers or those Beyond Burgers? And candidly, I've never tried one. So today I thought we would put it to the test against the real McCoy and then bring in the intern, Jared T-Bone Stone, to do a blind taste test. I'll be taste testing them too. I can't imagine that these things are good, but I kind of felt like we needed to see how these alternatives stacked up on the real thing. First of all, right over here, we have the Beyond Burger. It's a plant-based patty with a bunch of ingredients in them like potassium chloride, sunflower lecithin or something, beet juice extract, cocoa butter. That sounds good. Now, I will tell you this. Looks absolutely gross. I'm sorry, guys. I'm not even trying to be rude. I know the name is Red Meat Lover. I want to be unbiased about this, but T-Bone, can you see this? Well, does that look good to you? It looks a little slimy. I don't know, guys. I can't believe I'm doing this. Right over here, we have the Impossible Burger, which has no hormones or something. I know what else it doesn't have. Any real beef in here. That's a shame. But food starch, modified soy, ligamable, blah, 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 mixed tricoperiferous.
Calcified synthetic salt, artificial barley malt, glycerin, and aspartate.
Now this looks like a much more appetizing burger. I mean, it still has a little bit, oh, there goes the directions. We're gonna need these. I mean, I've been cooking meat for 20 years. I'm gonna need directions to cook this. I don't know. Now, candidly, this one looks a lot better. I mean, look at this. I think it's the putrid color of this, the kind of gray. It looks like they've tried to build in some fake fat. I don't know, hopefully T-Bone survives this. I don't have workers' comp. If he doesn't make it, you might not see any more videos from us. He might take all the $300 we have in our bank account. I'm gonna go ahead and season these, I would say with just salt, but these already have other ingredients in them. I don't know, it's not gonna be just salt on these two because of all the other ingredients. Oh my gosh, this Impossible Burger's already like falling apart on me. All right, before we throw these burgers in, I just want to take a moment to thank my friends at INTOTHEAM for sending me these super soft shirts. Really enjoy them, especially on a warm day like this. And if you want to check them out for yourself, we've included a link in the description below. So we have our Blazing Bull here, which is an infrared grill that gets super hot. I think like 1500 degrees. Both the Fakie burgers say you should cook them to an internal temperature of 100 to 165 degrees. So I'm gonna follow those directions. I like my beef burgers more on, I would call the medium well. If I haven't ground it myself, I like to know that I'm cooking it to a potentially safe level. So these are all quarter-pound burgers. I wanted to try to reduce the number of variables. The beef patty is handmade by me. It might be a little bit over, tried real close to keep it there, but let's get cooking. Let's see how long these take. Right over here, we have the real burger. Right over here, we have the Beyond Burger. And right over here, we have the Impossible Burger. And I try to keep these burgers really simple. Just like what I would call like a little kid burger. Just ketchup, mustard, and cheese so we can allow the real flavor, the real texture of that meat to shine through. All right, now it's time for the moment you've all been waiting for. Let's get the intern, T-Bone. Have you ever had fake meat?
No, I wasn't planning on it either until 10 minutes ago.
Yeah, I wasn't planning on this either. I don't know. This idea came to us from a viewer, so just let you guys know, we do hear your feedback and we try to bring it to life. Yo, Mike's? I thought you were more of like a White Claw kind of guy.
Oh, no.
You don't like cheese on yours, so yours are cheese free. Let's just start over here. Let's make it easy. Let's go over here.
Okay, ketchup, mustard too.
It's a little dry to me.
I can't tell if it's fake or not.
You can't. Well, that might be a good thing for the burgers.
It looks fake just looking at it.
Looks like you're chewing on that.
A little chewy.
A little chewy.
Could be the mustard throwing me off too. I don't like mustard really.
You don't like mustard and you don't like cheese. What the hell do you put on your hamburger, dude?
Ketchup.
That's it? That is a little kid's hamburger.
Ketchup and bacon.
You're hardly a little kid.
I'm not a huge fan of that. It's like soy kind of. Maybe soy is what I'm tasting.
I'm getting a lot of cheese. I know you're not getting that because you don't have cheese on yours, but you're the type of person who probably puts ketchup on their spaghetti, aren't you? He does! He puts ketchup on his spaghetti! You're the biggest damn 10-year-old I've ever seen in my life, dude.
This tastes like a real burger now. Definitely juicier, more flavorful. This one's definitely a burger. You can totally tell.
Oh, so you can totally tell. Okay, I'll save the suspense. You're right, that is the real burger. And I agree, it was the juiciest burger that I had of all three of them. And you know, maybe that was because it was cooked to a lower temperature than these other two. These other two specifically said to take to 160, 165. The juiciness was there for me, getting hit with that salt and that crust right away. Now, since you figured that out, which is which over here on the fakies?
I would say taste-wise, I like this one better than that one. And just because this kind of looks like a different color than these two, I'm guessing is this one Beyond and this one's Impossible.
You got it right. You got it right. You strike again. You're getting good at this game. So this is the Beyond and this is the Impossible. And you know what? I really have to agree with you. I thought that this tasted more like a regular burger, albeit a really dry one. To me, I thought I was more of like tasting a black bean burger almost, you know? And
yeah,
and I actually, you probably don't know this, I actually used to date a vegetarian, so I used to eat some black bean burgers. I know, it's shocking it didn't work out, right? Well, she didn't like meat, but she sure liked the bone. No, we're gonna have to cut that. We're gonna have to cut that. But yeah, this had the black bean burger, but dry. This to me had an unpleasant flavor.
yeah.
There was something in there. I'll try to describe it.
It's the sliminess that kind of gets me. I don't know. It just doesn't taste like anything real.
No. I don't like this. I could deal with this one. Let me get a... No bueno in the middle. Yeah, that to me, black bean burger, 100%. Dry, not much going on there.
Not super flavorful.
Not super flavorful at all, but it's really the texture that's bringing back the black bean burger. When you're in the video, you know how we do it. I'm gonna go eat the real thing. I'll let you take care of this.
Pull my stomach out. You guys know the drill. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that big thumbs up like button, or even better, hit the sub button. You'll never miss a beat. All right.